Hello, Namrata ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. You say, how are you?
I'm fantastic. So, first of all, I want to ask your hobbies and
My hobbies is singing, reading books, and cooking also.
don't want to become any officers like IAS, IPS, and doctor, engineer.
No.
So, what is your life aim? What is the meaning? What is the actual meaning of your life?
I just want to do for me and wants one thing that want to help like NGOs, like poor people, and also want to make one NGO for childs or for elders now.
That's great and that's very amazing and a fantastic thought for and this thought should be every woman. So my next question is, what do you like most in the world?
I like most playing with the friends or childs. I want traveling. I want to go with family. No long, but family, childrens, and do some enjoyments.
You told me I like play game with my with childrens and elders. So which type of game do you like more?
Which type my childs want to play? I just want to enjoy with him, with them.
So do you like family or a single person?
No. No, I want family. I like family, but supportive family.
Actually, I don't understand what is the meaning of the supportive family and what is the meaning of simple family.
I mean, supporting family means who support you, who support you, encourage you for your future, for your job, your achievements, your happiness. Your they support your dreams also. That means the supportive.
Next question is, what do you think about the love in the family, in the relationship?
Love is very beautiful emotions with family also and with the in a relationship also. It's
So I'm talking about what is the role of the love in family and relationship.
love
What can happen if you are loving anyone?
if you love someone, then in a family they make some strong bond with your family, and in a relationship also, if someone we will someone loves with someone, then I think life look like very beautiful, because there are some uh, emotions created, new emotions.
It is enough for family background. I wanna tell something about the our country, our increasing population.
Not interested, yeah.
You are not interested. This is happening in our India. We are member of India. So are you?
I think my country, my
Yes.
my country, my population is only around with my family. So I'm not interested in anybody.
So your family, your parents, and your family, everything for you.
Yes,
It is enough for you.
it is enough for me.
I think you should go to outside with your family, with your parents,
I
and
don't
with
have
your.
any time.
Oh,
Don't have any time to go.
you don't have time in Sunday. Why?
Yes.
What are?
Staying, told you na. 7 to 3 in only in the kitchen.
Oh,
Only 1 hour for rest only. Then again 5 to 10 or 11 in a kitchen for preparing tea and dinner also.
so you are doing job or not?
Yes, I'm doing job and I'm HR and I'm very satisfied with my job. I'm very enjoying.
So first of all,
All students are enjoyed a school life.
Yes.
Did you enjoy your school life?
Most.
So please, you have enjoyed your school life, but some memorable moment in your school life, like outside of the classroom. Many of the students, those were bunked classes. So please give me the some memorable moment in your school life, some special moment in your special moment. Please tell me.
Firstly, when I'm in a first class, then first day I'm going to school. Then the principal welcome me. Okay.
That's great.
Yes, they are a first memory in my school life. And first to first to eighth, I'm very serious girl and best in a class. But when we come in the ninth, 10th, and 11th, I'm very enjoying. I think I'm enjoying a college life in its school time.
School time.
And in a 11th class, we have a three classes: commerce, arts, and science. Then we our group divided in three classes. So when anybody class is blank without teacher,
Without teacher.
then anybody comes and
Please, we all are coming.
we all are,
take
yes,
class
yes,
because the teacher
we all
is
are,
not available in my
right,
classroom.
right.
Yeah.
And when I'm stuck in class with teacher, then any friends come and say, teachers, ma'am, please please call Namrata, for his parents are coming.
Coming.
So teachers are calling her.
Okay.
So yes, you go and teacher and we are go in a other class
We all-
and enjoying.
You mean to say that we all are went to in the ground?
No, not in a ground, not in a
In the
other
classroom.
classroom.
In the other classroom.
In another classroom, and there we will.
We all are played games.
Yes, enjoying most. And sometimes my class, I'm in a arts class, so we have a hall. My class is a hall, so there was two doors, first and second. So when class mean teacher enter in first door,
Yeah.
then I will go in second. That side we will go. We was going, and sometimes we stuck. So same situations ki friends and coming and tell some excuses and ले जाते थे. Then sometimes in their classes have a teacher, then he will come sitting us, and sometimes uh, they are not in our art sides, they are commerce or science, but sitting in with us and teachers for arts, and teachers understand ki they are a arts student but is not. Sometimes we bunk classes. In fact, me, my sister, my brother, all are in the same school. I'm in a 11, sister is a 10, and brother is in 8. And my mother is very serious about study, also very serious. He is visiting our school without any information, any time. He never inform you, in fact doubt you, and he
The school.
enter the school. And when I'm going to bunk, I'm and will come, and atmospheres sound like soft. Then I realize okay.
Yeah. Okay, Didi. So you know the winter season is going on. What do you like the most, coffee or tea?
Coffee.
Coffee. Why you like many of the people like in the winter season, many of the people like tea, but why you special when you like coffee? Please tell me.
Me, I'm also like tea, but tea like ginger.
Oh.
I lychee have, but
Like masala tea.
masala tea.
You like masala tea?
Masala tea. Otherwise, coffee is very like.
Okay. Do you like watching movie?
Romantic, family type or comedy.
What's your favorite movie, Didi?
Favorite movie. Viva,
Wow. Yeah, that's great.
Three Idiots, and that type of Chennai Express.
Chennai Express. You know do you watch Puspa 2?
But yes, I will go tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Okay. That's a fantastic movie, the Pushpa 2. So, the one more question is, we all are coming in the campus to trying to speaking English. You have any special moment in the campus you enjoyed the more in the campus center? So, what is the most liking in the campus institute?
Firstly, when we study seriously,
Okay.
and second thing, I'm enjoying most here because yes, in a classroom, because I'm not sorry, I'm presenting myself here. I'm not that type of in a home, in a job also.
Yeah.
With you all, I'm enjoying with you as a friends, but I'm not like that enjoyment in a home because there is some most responsibilities. I'm busy with them. In also job, there is no any friends and no enjoyment. So that time, I think I feel like originally that I have.
Didi, every people want to become a successful and become rich in our life. Do you want to become millionaire like that?
Yes, not so much rich, but yes, successful.
Every person want to become a successful. But do you want to become billionaire like that? Lots of money, we buy anything in our life. No.
No, so much not.
Okay. So what's your opinion about your money like that?
I think money is very important, but not
You mean to say that I have money, we fulfill our dreams,
yes,
we fulfill our needs. That's
fulfill
it.
and my child. For my child, I can fulfill his dreams.
Dreams, yeah.
What he want to become, I support him. I can support him. It is enough.
Winter season. Do you like winter season or summer season?
Winter season.
Why you like winter season?
No much such a any special reason, but yes, I like and I want. I like some coats, joy stuff and stalls. I think I like that all the shops.
Okay. You understand or not?
Little bit.
he
Save our electricity bill. We don't need to operate our fridge, cooler.
he took
No. Only for that reason I don't like the winter season.
No, really, I'm telling as a common man.
But I'm
he told in the winter season we saved money by the help of electricity bill like that. We don't we don't use fan, we don't use AC like that, we don't use cooler like that.
but we like in the winter season not for this reason.
We are comfortable in outside and inside.
But I'm not like for this reason. No? I'm like only for clothes.
So,
That's the reason that I want. I like winter season.
Ma'am, you told me I likes reading novels and books. So in which type of books you have in which type of books you like the most?
Like firstly, like love story.
Love story, yeah.
Second, achievement. Now I have only one book in my purse.
The book name is
Achievement.
Achievement. Okay.
Achievements, progress, hard working, that type of books. I'm not reading regularly, but yes, when we have some times, then absolutely I want to read my books. And sometimes when don't have any time, then I'm shortlisted with videos.
Yeah.
I'm listening
Okay.
these novels and things like that.
Didi, you know, in my batch, in our batch, one students are there. Sankar.
Yes, I miss them.
So, what you want to say about Sankar, please?
He is a very pure man actually.
Yeah.
Very loyal, very trustworthy person.
Yeah.
And that's the reason then he, whenever he want to talk, whatever he talk, I think it's best part is uh, he's very graceful, I think. Very hardworking also.
Very hardworking.
Loyal, and that is that's all things is personality become a perfect.
You mean to say that when we are feeling bored in the class, bored, then the Sankar will help to enjoy every moment, every time.
His punch is very good.
Very good. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So we all are wishing, we all are missing Sankar. 16th December. Yeah.
And you mean coming Monday.
Yeah. Monday.
Coming Monday.
Yeah, Monday. Upcoming Monday. Okay. So, ma'am, Didi, you have any question to ask? You have any questions to ask me?
I think you are also. It's my observation. No? You are a little bit serious man, and little bit some part of enjoyment.
Yeah.
But you easily involve all this atmosphere.
Yes.
I think.
Yeah.
So I don't know, don't mind.
No.
But yes, little bit I want to know why you serious. Means your age is not that time that you have some serious images. But yes, if you want, then I want to know little bit.
Thank you.
The idea is
मस्त कितना अच्छा क्वेश्चन जा रहा था. Thank you.